Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F14 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down in order to find wallpaper and style. As you can see right here, we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen, so we can always check it. And in order to change the wallpaper, we will have to tap on this option. A quick disclaimer, the color palette is quite a great option because you can simply take, or your device will take the colors from the wallpaper and apply them to the menu. So it's quite good for the person who likes personalization. And here we've got also the option dim wallpaper when the dark mode is on, which simply means that if you've got the dark mode applied, your device will also affect the wallpaper, so it will make it a little bit darker. So let me enter the change wallpapers option, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Here we've got some downloaded ones from the Galaxy themes. I highly recommend to check them. We've got the colors, graphical, gallery, and the featured ones, so the pre-installed ones kind of. So I'll pick something from those options. And as you can see, we've got nice options to choose from. If you want to check the preview, you will have to tap on the wallpaper. So let me pick this one. But before, you have to decide where you want to apply it. So the lock screen, home screen, or both. I will pick both options, so I keep those options marked. So let's tap on next. And here we will be able to check how the wallpaper will look like, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on done. Alright, now we can go back. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy F14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.